Hi, I'm Paul Hampton, Product Manager here at Thales. I wanted to take the opportunity to talk to you today about our hybrid HSM capabilities. As you're aware, hardware security modules are the single best way to store cryptographic keys in a manner that means they are protected with the strongest of security. Thales has a wide range of physical hardware security modules in a variety of different form factors. We also have our Data Protection on Demand Cloud HSM service, which gives you all of the key protection of a HSM delivered as an easy-to-use service. In recent months, our engineering teams have been working hard to develop a capability that I'm really excited to talk to you about today. The Thales Hybrid HSM. We have developed a single HSM client software installation which works seamlessly with both our physical on-premise Luna HSMs and the Luna Cloud HSM service. If you've used our physical HSMs, you'll be well aware that multiple HSMs can be clustered together to form high availability groups, giving you both load balancing and failover capabilities. In addition, cryptographic keys can be securely replicated between HSMs such that a key can be available in all of the places that you may wish to use it. The single HSM client, which we're calling the universal client, extends this concept into our cloud service also, meaning that you can now create high availability groups that include the cloud service and also replicate keys to and from the cloud, both manually and automatically. So let's take a look at some examples of how this hybrid mode of operation can be used. The first example is key material backup. Using the universal HSM client, you can back up an on-premise Luna HSM to the dpod cloud service. This gives you the assurance of knowing that your key material is stored inside the highly redundant and available Thales Cloud HSM service. And of course, only you can access those keys. Thales has no access. The inverse is also true. You can use the universal client to take a backup of the Cloud HSM service and store that on a local HSM. This gives you the assurance that you hold a physical copy of the cryptographic keys that you are using in the cloud. Potentially, you could store your backup on one of our backup HSM devices, which you can place directly inside of FireSafe. Our second hybrid example extends the backup concept to other third-party cloud environments. Thales HSMs are used as part of the Azure, the IBM and the AWS cloud services. Using the very same universal client we talked about a moment ago, you can back up the key material that you have residing in one of those third-party clouds to either an on-premise Luna HSM or the Luna Cloud HSM service. As with the previous example I gave, this gives you the ability to have complete control over your cryptographic keys and indeed the assurance that you have secure copies available should the worst happen. Our third and final example is creating a high availability group which comprises a mix of both physical HSMs and the Luna Cloud HSM service. This allows you to distribute and failover workloads between on-premise devices and cloud services. We can think of a few different reasons that you might wish to do this. You may want to minimize cloud latency with the use of on-premise equipment, but have the assurance that you can seamlessly fail over to the cloud if there's, for example, a networking issue in your data center. You may wish to use on-premise HSMs at your main or head office locations, but then satellite or branch locations which might not have their own data centers could use the cloud service and indeed share key material seamlessly between all locations. Finally, you might have a workload that's sporadic or bursty in nature and wish to use the cloud service as a capacity buffer for your on-premise equipment. Thales is really excited about these new capabilities, which for me really start to blur the lines between the physical and cloud worlds. Thank you for your time watching this video, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how our customers and partners use these capabilities to create new and innovative infrastructures.